With another video. This is really interesting for OnePlus 10 users, OnePlus 10 Pro users. And one of my friend request me to make a unique tutorial about the issues that he is facing in the OnePlus 10 Pro. The biggest problem in the OnePlus 10 Pro, that is overheating and Bluetooth not connecting, Wi-Fi connecting issue, poor battery life, other not issues, that is notification bar, screen flicker, app crashes, slow legs. Then in the end we'll discuss what if nothing works. So first of all, you need to understand the big problem why OnePlus 10 Pro getting overheat when using the game, what you playing the game, watching the YouTube video or 4K that is supporting 4K to 8K and other apps that are already working in the background of your phone. The three main components responsible for heating that are SoC processor, battery and screen. It's normal to generate some heat, but if it feels uncomfortable, hot against your chest, if it's overheating, how you can fix? Let's discuss the story. Let's back to the story. Fixing, that is check your firmware updates first. Overheating and many other issues are fixed by manufacturers this way. Install all available updates one by one. Remove bulky cases. The best cases are one with thicker corner, not an overall thin shell. Avoid using third-party or unofficial chargers. Always use the original OnePlus charger. Avoid resource-hungry tasks for a long periods. Gaming, video editing, Wi-Fi hotspot, screen mirroring, and streaming all stress the processes. Generate that. Turn off the camera flash when not needed, as using it during long recording sessions. Heat up the phone and drain the battery faster. Updates all for apps regularly to fix the bugs that may be causing background resources usage. Okay, this is just a discuss about the overheating. We'll discuss the why the Bluetooth not connecting in the OnePlus 10 Pro. Okay, fixing, that is the toggle Bluetooth off and back on. Then forget and repair the device. Go to setting, in the setting icon follow up for fixing the Bluetooth that is fix problem in not connecting to other Bluetooth like AirDots, another device, and you can say filter options, enable show system apps and follow up the Bluetooth storage, clear cache. Cache is a big problem in the apps, or you can say in any current device. Check that that device you are connecting to is compatible with your phone. The device you are connecting that is compatible with your phone. Reset both devices and try pairing again in close promisely. Okay. The other issue is Wi-Fi connectivity issue. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset radio connection. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. Go to modify your Wi-Fi and again reinsert your password of the Wi-Fi to see the magic. Setting Wi-Fi long press network, modify, change IP setting to the static IP setting in the Wi-Fi that is really issue in the OnePlus 10 Pro. Okay, another is poor battery life. Reduce the screen brightness, switch to a lower refresh rate, disable always on, check for battery hungry, and enable the battery saver mode. Other known issues in the OnePlus 10 Pro, that is notification bug, screen flicker, app crashes, and slow laggy. If nothing else works, this is a big problem, and you should have plan B to apply. If nothing, all the things, all the all the problems we discussed, if nothing else works, do you have any plan to apply Yes, a plan B, that is clear all the app cache. How you can do, follow up the screen app and storage and clear data cache and clear all. After that, another plan, that is boot into safe mode. The last and honest and recommended plan, that is factory reset. Factory reset is a big problem, sir, and factory reset will make your phone fully fresh. So you should keep your phone backup first of all. After that, you can do factory reset. If you are facing problem in the factory reset, you can comment on the video. I will make a tutorial for you. We have your request. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.